Right, so guys, hello. Welcome back to JDB BMX. Today, I got a package. I believe this package is from Source BMX. So, we're going to open it up and going to go through with you guys what we got. So, we'll be back in a minute. Right guys, so this is a package from Source BMX. We're going to open it up. I'm going to not rip it too much because I don't want to wreck what's inside. It depends how they've packaged it. If they've packaged it a bit, well, it doesn't matter anyway now because we're in. Right, we'll start off with by the way guys, can you please like the video for my cameraman Lauren, or camera girl should I say, and you know what, she's going to be the first to pick out what we actually get out of this thing. So where do I pick from, Lauren? Top, middle, bottom?
Top.
Alright, so alright, start from the top then. Right, because I ordered, or should I say spent, over a certain amount, I've got a Source BMX shirt for free. We'll go into that in a minute. Right now, Lauren?
Middle.
Oh, that is what is in the middle. There's loads of stuff in the middle. Right. So, guys, we got some black ODI grips. If you can see that. Can they see that, Lauren? Black ODIs. Which I've rode ODIs before. On kids' scooters, and obviously ODIs are the best grips, obviously. Right, next, still going for the middle. We got here a Colt seat post tripod. This is just awesome. Colt, guys. Colt, awesome. Everyone likes the Colt BMX team. Right, next. Alright. Next we got a tripod seat. And this is obviously the Boca 123 seat by Proper. This seat looks awesome already. It absolutely looks awesome. I'll show you all like close shots of it when I'm fully done. Yeah, that looks awesome, guys. I really wanted this seat badly. Last thing, by the looks of it, in the package. Oh no, it's not. No, it's. Oh, I forgot about this. Right. Yeah, we got a Source BMX catalogue. This is going to be so helpful. $90-day hassle thing. It's always cool. The new BSD transmission team video. I will point out, no matter what you order from Source BMX, you'll get one of these free if you click on it. I'm pretty sure anything. Right, then we got the receipt, catalogue, any stickers, no stickers. I mean, might have some of the parts, who knows. Don't matter about stickers though. So, yeah guys, back in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm going to open the shirt. This was for free, this shirt. That's super awesome that they just let you choose like a free thing. Like, that's so cool that they would do that. Source BMX, that looks awesome. I like this colour a lot. Well, this was the colour I liked a lot. Yeah, That looks absolutely awesome. So yeah, we'll give you some close-ups now, and yeah. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. Please comment, rate and subscribe. But please hit the like button and please subscribe. It mean the world if you subscribe, guys. Like I said, I don't have a bike at the moment. I got them parts because, like I said, I'm slowly upgrading my bike, and I just wanted to start with a seat for comfort, even though you're not really going to need the seat. I just started off with a seat. There will be loads more unboxings on this channel, but the next video is probably going to be like a week away, because I'm going to order my BMX next week, and I'm going to get it like next day delivery, so it should be next week. If it's not, I'll let you guys know with an update video explaining what's going on. So yeah guys,